I will now make the first knob that will go in here, and the thread is M4, and I got a piece of metal here in the shack that I'm going to use. So I'm going to first turn this diameter down and thread it M4, and then turn the knob and put some knurling on it, and then cut it off. I will do some straight knurling on this, light knurling I will say. So let's go. And here are the first made knob, and it works like this. Time to move on to make this knob, and the thread here are M5. Now I will turn down this diameter to about 12 millimeter, and the length will be 4 millimeter. I will now turn a 60-degree angle here, about 2-3 millimeters wide. Well, you can't say that this 60-degree angle is 2-3 millimeters wide. I think it's more like 5 millimeters. But I will turn down this diameter, so then this angle will be reduced. So here are the finished knob, and it looks like this, and it goes in here, like so. I didn't quite like the style of this knob, so I did a new one off camera, and it's looking like this, a little bit bigger than the first one. You can see here. I like this better. So this is the one that I'm going to use. Well, now I will try to make the knob that hold these two arms together and screw them together. And I'm planning to use this piece of aluminium, and I got a simple, very simple drawing here. Here's the knob, and the material is aluminium, and as you can see here, I'm gonna make a steel insert that will be pressed in here, that is threaded with M5 thread. And then there will be some work on this knob here before it's finished. First of all, I will turn this down to 40 millimeters diameter. It's 49 now, and we go from there. Next thing to do will be to turn this down to 12 millimeter diameter in 12 millimeter, and the length will be 12 millimeter too. I will now drill a 8 millimeters hole, 12 millimeter deep here, using an 2-flute end mill, and I also turn down this diameter from 40 to 38 millimeters. I will now turn down this piece of steel to the right outer diameter, and then drill and thread M5. And this piece will then be knurled, and the thing is that I will then press it in here. Can you see the porosity of the aluminium? This is something that I have melted before and casted to run bars. Okay, now will be doing some knurling here, but this knurling don't have to be perfect. Yeah, I think that this might work. The thing now is to cut this off, and then we'll press this piece metal insert into the aluminium knob. Here we got the steel insert pressed in to the aluminium. I also used some of this cylindrical locking liquid. and I think this will do very well. And next thing to do about this will be to turn this down so it will be flush with the aluminium, and then I will be doing some work on this, on the knob, turning down the width and even this face, and then I will put this up in the middle and mill some grooves around it. I have decided to make this knob simple, no fancy milling operations, just a simple knurling on this. And here we have the finished knob with some lighter knurling on it and the steel insert here and some porosity, but I think I can live with that. And here we have the finished articulated holder. And if I loosen this, it's behaving like it should be. I made this small attachment to the articulator holder. This little attachment gave me the opportunity to mount the indicator like this. So I got two possibilities now. This is one, and this is the other one. I also think this got good rigidity. I can lift this and it won't move. So it's performing as it was meant to. Well, I think I am quite satisfied with this project, how it turned out, and I want to thank you who have followed this project in this series. Thank you for watching and comment. Thank you.